Frontier is a natural and organic manufacturing company at Norway, Iowa, and we source from around the world. In the food industry, we have to secure our processes, and for doing so, we need to have a platform that is sustaining all these responsibilities.
With Frontier being a manufacturer of natural and organic food products, we have a lot of controls around compliance and the need for an audit trail. And GRC really makes that easy to implement. The exciting part about GRC is that anytime our users do anything in the system, it's captured and immediately available for us to analyze and take a look at the violations that are being presented against the industry standard rulebooks that GRC provides as part of the package. And then we can make decisions on how we want to mitigate those risks. Infor helped us configure and walked us through the basics, but the rest of it was just understanding the rule books, which are created by Infor and our industry standard, so we didn't have to recreate the wheel. GRC was really easy to implement, and we were able to get value from it almost from day one.
When it comes to user provisioning, this used to be one of the most complicated tasks. With Infor GRC, this has reduced from days to hours or minutes. The greatest value we expect from Infor GRC is not only time saving or cost saving, it's risk avoiding. This is critical in our industry. If a user accidentally changes something in the system, that could potentially affect our manufacturing, and this will also have some repercussion on the finance side or the operation. Plus, this is going to affect our reputation as well. So by using Infor GRC, we are giving our users a peace of mind so that they can do their daily task or daily job without worrying about creating any damage in the system.
We can do all this on our own, but it would take a team of people going through with specialized skills in finance and purchasing and marketing and warehouse to be able to determine where we are violating risks across the board. Whereas with GRC, we installed the product and they were all there. They just showed up on the screen. From a high-level approach, we can immediately start working on mitigating those risks.
From a user standpoint, is to allow them to work and do their daily tasks without really worrying about the violations and the back and forth communication with IT. Now on the other side, IT have more time to focus on their tasks rather than spending too much time controlling and evaluating those violations that happen on the system. With Infor GRC, we are expecting to save 10% from the IT support.
Our goal is to simplify it and automate it. That's why GRC is a contributor to that goal.